Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI to design custom stickers and merchandise. So first of all, we want to sign up to Leonardo AI and log in. I'm already logged in to my account. And then what type of item? If you don't have design, you need to decide what you are designing. What type of item? Is it a sticker, t-shirts, a phone case, a mug? What's your theme? Animals, logos, patterns. What is the mood? Funny, chill, edgy, motivational? And is it transparent or a background image? The next you need to write the prompt. Now, if you do not have a prompt, you can go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a prompt for a sticker. If you can write yourself, then you can do that. But I have a few prompts here for stickers, t-shirts, mugs, and I'll show you what kind of images it can give you. I'm gonna copy and paste. I'm going to go to Leonardo AI image creation over here on the left side, and then I'm gonna post it over here. So let's see. So add keywords like stickers, design, merchandise. So the AI knows what you're looking for. Select the right model and adjust settings. Over here on the left side, you can select the anime or Phoenix 1.1, which is the newest version. I'm gonna pick this one. You can change the style, contrast, quality. You can change the dimensions of the picture, and you can change the number of images. I'm gonna pick 2, and let's see, I'm gonna generate. It's gonna cost me 12 tokens. And let's see what it's gonna give us. And that's what we got. As you can see, amazing sticker. Now you can download it as PNG if you want a transparent background. If not, just use JPG for image, for regular image. You can upscale it and remove the backgrounds if you want in other apps like Canva or Photoshop. And you can use Placeit or Printify to test how it looks in real items. And that's it. You can download the image. It's over here. You can upscale it for higher resolution over here, which is gonna cost another 20 tokens. And then you can download it over here. That's it. Good luck.